everyone, this is Ekta Takrani. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, we will continue with Geography Chapter 5 of Class 9, that is Natural Vegetation and Wildlife. Though we are doing Chapter 5 of Class 9, the topic which I am going to explain in this video is useful for everybody. It is a topic of general awareness. Okay, we'll come to the topic. Before that, let us have a quick recap what we have studied in the chapter. We discussed about natural vegetation, right? What is natural vegetation and what are the factors affecting it? Okay, so now let us move to one of the example of natural vegetation. The major one, covering the major part of natural vegetation is forest. Have you ever thought the importance of forest? What they do actually? What is the importance of having this green cover? As a child, we were told that we are getting honey and paper, we are getting different things from forest that we are consuming directly. Apart from it, there is a wide number of advantages are there. That is all we are going to discuss here. We have to go in detail. Okay, being a student of secondary higher classes, you have to understand, you have to go in detail what is the role of forest in human life. Okay, so let us go with the points. I have shared the points here in short. You can note it down also. The first thing I have shared here is what the forests are doing actually. They are enhancing the quality of environment. Other side, we humans, what we are doing? We are exploiting the environment. You know the level of pollution human is creating due to these vehicles and all. There is a high amount of carbon dioxide is released due to pollution as well as increasing population. But what forests are doing? They are doing the opposite task. They are improving the quality of environment. How? By releasing oxygen. So the environment is getting cleansed because of the forest. So what they are doing? They are enhancing the quality of the environment. That is first thing I have mentioned. Next, let us move. They modify the environment. As I told you, they are improving the quality. They are bringing changes. Even they bring change in temperature conditions. They affect the wind system. As a barrier they act and they affect the temperature, the wind system, all the climatic conditions of the nearby local area are affected. Okay, due to the availability of forest. Next we'll move the topic, the next point is controlling soil erosion, and I believe this is the most important thing. First, let us revise what is soil erosion. The washing of your soil due to the rainfall, the heavy rainfall just takes away the soil. The soil is washing away. It is affecting the vegetation and as well the soil. Very important, no? So it is getting washed away. But when there are trees, when there is vegetation, what the roots are doing, they are holding the soil. Okay, as the trees are there, they act as a barrier, they hold the soil and they prevent the soil erosion. This is very important step, which is very, means it is not a step, they are not taking deliberately, naturally it is happening. Okay, what the forests are doing? They are preventing soil erosion. Okay, they are preventing soil to be washed away. They just hold it and save it from getting washed. Okay, so this is another very important point what the forests are doing. Next thing, everybody is aware, the forest is the shelter of the wildlife. You will keep the wildlife, the animals at home? No. If there are no forests, we cannot imagine the wild animals also. As I told you, we are having a wide variety of animals also. Where they are living, what is the habitat, where is the shelter? The forests are providing the shelter to the wildlife. Where there is dense forest, automatically we can see the wide variety of animals also. If the forest we are clearing and cutting, automatically animals are going down in number. Okay, so that is what they are providing shelter to the wildlife. Next, another very important, if we are selfish, right? We are thinking about our needs, we are cutting the forest. Other way, what forests are doing? They are providing livelihood. Why we are cutting the forest? They provide us with a lot of things. People are just surviving depending on forest. Their day-to-day needs, their livelihood depends on the forest. They collect the things, they sell the things and they earn profit. So they are providing livelihood to number of communities, okay, especially living nearby the forest and in the forest. Next, directly the people are collecting the things from the forest and they are having their livelihood. Their livelihood depend on forest. Okay, indirectly also, you know, there are industries which are totally depending on forest. Some of the industries, they are known as forest based industry, who get raw material from forest, and then only the industry survives. They get profit, they do their production. Without raw material it is not possible. So the raw material comes from the forest. So forest based industry, they totally depend on forest. So there is nothing to say more than this. What forests are doing? They are supporting number of industries. Okay, let us move to the next point. Quite similar to the climatic conditions, they affect the climatic conditions of an area as they affect the wind system as well as temperature, they bring rainfall. Okay, next is another important thing, what you can say, you visit forest. In general, if we ask, children are knowing they visit for recreation, as a picnic spot, for the adventures and all people visit. So it is providing a tourist spot which is another source of earning for the country, or we can say foreign income also. So people are visiting the forest as well as a scenic beautiful view we can see. So all these are the important role played by forest in our life. We can see economically also how it is providing the support, livelihood to the people. Industries are depending on it. Animals, their life, their existence depend on forest. The whole environment, rainfall, temperature conditions, everything, soil erosion, everything is just depending on the mercy of the forest. Okay, so this is what the role of forest. But what we humans are doing, the number of the forest we were having, the cover of forest we were having in past is decreasing very rapidly. We are just cutting down the forest to meet our needs. We'll talk about this as it is a big problem. We'll talk about the problem as well as the solutions also. Okay. Now next I have defined here is ecosystem. What you have studied in the previous classes also. The interaction between plants and animal life. The exchange of oxygen and carbon dioxide for the food requirements. All these living organisms, they just depend on each other. So when this plant and animals, they interact with each other, they are interdependent on each other, and this all system of physical environment in a particular region, particular place is known as ecosystem. The interaction and interdependence of plant and animal life. Okay, and what it creates? Ecosystem. I hope you got the definition. You can note it down. Very simple definition is here. Ecosystem. Another word I want to mention here is biome. This word bio means life. Okay, and just let me connect this term with the ecosystem. When there is a large ecosystem, very large ecosystem with a wide variety of plants and animals. It's a large ecosystem of a place with having a lot of variety of plants and animals, and this wide ecosystem, a large ecosystem, is known as biome, as it supports the variety of life. Biome, life, plant life or animal life together in a large form. A large ecosystem is known as biome. You can note down the definition of biome as well and your ecosystem. So this is all in this video. We have studied about the importance of forest and all. In the next video, I will be telling you about the variety of forest also. We are having a different types of forest. Okay, under the natural vegetation, we are talking about forest. So there are different types of forest depending on climatic and relief features. As I before told you, the factors are affecting, no? So according to the place, according to the temperature conditions, there are different types of forest. We will go in the coming videos. Okay, so stay tuned and stay connected. Till then, what you have to do? Please remember to study this. Till now, 3 videos which are shared. Just study this and prepare notes. Goodbye.